How to make the most out of affiliate marketing. There is quite a bit of money to make through affiliate marketing, but you must first learn valuable information to help you in your venture. There are several tips that should be applied to a successful marketing plan, and many of them have been included in this very informative video. Affiliate marketing opens the door for many people who are looking to start a home-based business. As long as you have the technical know-how, this is an ideal opportunity to make a living or supplement your income, depending on how much time you want to invest in the undertaking. Setting up a website promoting the products you are trying to sell is the first step, but don't stop there. Take advantage of email, blog forums, social networking sites and chat rooms to reach as wide an audience as possible. Write videos about the products, and post them on your own website to increase your traffic. Join one or many affiliate programs. One of the benefits from working at home is that it gives you the flexibility to choose your own hours. With some dedication and commitment, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to turn that spare room into an office. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation is directly linked to the reputation of the company whose products you are promoting. This means that you need to choose your company wisely based on more than just the products offered. You need to check on the company's reputation to make sure they're viewed favorably. Affiliates would do well to employ text services to help them earn commissions. This is a new thing, but a lot of affiliates are employing this technique. It keeps customers informed and will help you sell your products. Recurring visitors to your affiliate site will think the site is stale and not updated if your ads are in the same location every time they arrive. So in order to change the ad locations, find an ad rotator plugin to use on your blog or website to ensure that the scenery changes on a regular basis. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. Apply the tips and the information that you have read in this video to your marketing plan and you are sure to see your plan come together nicely. A great plan is going to make it much easier for you to make a success of your affiliate marketing business venture. Student loan.